Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted, Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing through the cold dark wind. Did you say goodbye, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday? Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted, Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing through the cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted, Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing through the cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark wind. It's feeling like a cold dark wind. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave.
Ta-da! And the moment of truth.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
And I don't know if it's coming out. I don't think so. I don't know, maybe. Oh, the top definitely didn't. Well, my crust layer is definitely not coming out. Well, maybe let's see. Oh, there we go. Just got to figure out how to get it separated from the tinfoil now. This is supposed to look like a rice cake with a nice crisp top, but didn't turn out that way. But here's our Saffron Basmati rice, and we'll give it a try. Okay, so structurally and the crisp top definitely was a fail. It didn't work out for me. It's probably more my fault than anything else, but the smells are very good. Yeah, like a little bit of saffron. The oil makes a nice little texture to it. And it'd be a good side dish or something like that. So I'm going to find a way to use this up for supper tonight. And we'll go from there. This is A Taste of Persia. Really interesting cookbook to try it out. And the link to buy it will be in the playlist description. And we'll see what comes up next week.